Today let me do a video showing you how to make just a simple basil pesto recipe. The ingredients are pretty basic as you would expect, and the essentials are good quality parmesan, fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, salt, and of course olive oil. Now there are two real ways to making it: by hand or in a food processor, but with the food processor, you have to be careful of one thing that may ruin your pesto. Well, for each method, let's just start by picking our basil leaves, and then we'll just start and show the food processor method first. All the basil goes in along with your garlic, your pine nuts, and your olive oil. And you want to start blending it. Now you want to make sure that your blender is good enough that you don't have to blend too much. Otherwise, the olive oil will turn bitter. The other way is to just do all of it in your mortar and pestle until it looks a bit like this. But whatever method you do follow, make sure to fold in the parmesan rather than processing it or smashing it in the mortar and pestle. And now you have some great pesto ready, and check out my grilled chicken pesto pasta to see one of the best ways of using it. See you on the next one.